The sound begins, it starts to flow, a wave of tones that rise and grow. Each moment forms the way we go, a journey carved in every glow. The layers build with every beat, a moving form where we all meet. The energy becomes complete, a sound that fills the open street.
The ground responds, it starts to sway. Each tone connects, it finds the way. The melodies begin to play, a sound that leads and will not stray.
The air is charged with every chord,
each motion strikes a perfect accord.
the patterns rise, they form the board, a timeless call we all explore. Feel the power rise in waves, a force that shows what sound can pave. Motion waves begin to rise, they hold the ground, they pierce the skies. Each tone ascends, it never lies, a force that lifts, a sound that ties. The current flows, it carves the way, a lasting beat we all obey. The tones align, they craft the air, a moving path that leads us there. Each wave connects with what we share, a timeless melody, pure and rare. The sounds combine to hold the space, a steady form, a guiding grace. They weave together, build the pace, a lasting song in every place. Feel the sound move deep inside, a flowing wave that will not hide. The melody fades but does not leave, its mark remains in what we weave. Motion waves create the ground, a timeless force where we are found. The sound begins, it starts to flow, a wave of tones that rise and grow. Each moment forms the way we go, a journey carved in every glow. The layers build with every beat, a moving form where we all meet. The energy becomes complete, a sound that fills the open street.
The ground responds, it starts to sway. Each tone connects, it finds